Hello everyone and welcome to the Crypto Session Brief. We're on Thursday the 9th of June 2022. To be honest, relatively short and sweet today because there's not too much to report on as we stand right now at 2:15 here in Europe. Looking at the markets then, pretty flat across the board, and you can see that reflected in price action. You can see Ripple's just been tracking sideways, continues to put in these triangular patterns, but then once it gets a breakout, as we did here, this triangular pattern didn't see a follow through, got faded straight back down and starting to form another triangular pattern on Ripple, but importantly holding above 0.3870. If we head north and look at Litecoin, similar to some degrees, albeit really starting to put a test on them range lows, aren't we here? So around this 61 area, big test for the for both bulls and bears. Can the bears get enough momentum to force a move down? Into 50, or can the bulls be able to continue hold on here and keep looking for that move back into the 65.78? But as you can see, series of lower highs been put in here. The most recent one here at 66, the one before that there at 70.5. So that series of lower highs, and I'm going to say the same now for Ethereum, just starting to look a little bit heavy at these range lows. If we don't find another bounce, it could be that we are set for another one of these sharper moves down into the next handle at 50. Same can be said about Ethereum, really. If we look at Ethereum, we're currently trading at 1804, just about holding onto that 1700 handle. You can see there that 2000 area overhead, but that series of lower highs, much like I've just said on Litecoin there, looking quite notable now. And just above here on that 1700, yesterday's daily inside bar, as you can see, just further reflecting that consolidation that we've been seeing. Haven't seen a break of that yet, so still trading within the range of the previous day, hence why I said it's super flat out there at the minute. But Ethereum, again, starting to look heavy at that 1700 handle. If that goes, 1550 could be in play quite quickly. Looking at Bitcoin to wrap things up for today, that 30,000 handle, of course, that psychological round number effect coming into play once again. You can see on the daily bar over the previous 2 days, we had 2 tests to break below, but 2 failed closes below. So promising signs for the bulls as they start to look at that 30k handle holding and maybe a move back into retest the highs. Again, daily inside bar on this market yesterday, so some clear signs and evidence of some contraction consolidation before the next direction gets set. Maybe we are set for a quieter day today. We've got the US CPI, the headline data event of the week. That's due tomorrow around about this time, where of course all eyes will be on that for basically where do we head from here with the Fed. More hawkish, less hawkish, and of course that can have a knock-on effect to risk assets. Until next time, all the best of your trading. Take care everyone, and bye for now.